Alright, 1996, Friedrich KStar. One of the earlier versions of this unit. It's nothing special. I mean, it's not the fanciest or nicest looking air conditioner, but it is a tank. It works extremely well. It's a 7900 BTU, so we'll call it an 8000. You know, just louvers. Slide out washable filter, 2-speed thermostat. These earlier KStars had the vent as well. Not that it's really useful on these, but it is there. They did do away with that on the later ones. I got the field piece HS33 here to take the discharge air temperature. And what's the room temperature? It's pretty cool in here because I did have it running earlier at 72.5 degrees in here. So not that hot. It's about probably about 80 outside. Alright, debating whether I should take the cover off and show you the information. I guess I will. I'm a little lazy, but I'll show y'all the information in the unit. It needs a little bit of a clean. I'm gonna clean it next year. It's good for another year. KQ08J10 is the model. Made in Texas, of course. I gotta straighten those fins. I put a little piece of foam behind the thermocouple because it was touching the coil, and that's not good. I want it to get inaccurate from that. Nice thing about these Q chassis Friedrichs, actually I think the larger chassis have them too, yeah, are the where you can put the cord out either side of the front panel. So there's the cord for it, by the way. Anyway, we'll get this back on. Alright, so we're ready to turn it on. It's got a Tecumseh rotary compressor that has a little bit of a loud kick to start, otherwise it's silent afterwards. So we'll turn it on. High cool first. And you can hear the refrigerant rushing through the evaporator. Of course, this is an R22 unit, it being from 96. It wasn't up until, I think it was 2008 when they stopped putting R22 in window units. Might have been a few that had 410 before then, but 08 was the last year that some units had 22 in them. Oh, my bad. Forgot to turn on the meter. So that's just going to do its thing there. It takes a second. Getting there, we're not that cold yet, but it's getting there. If I turn it to low, it'll get colder a little bit quicker. It wasn't just running, I just had it running probably like 4 hours ago, I'd say. So it is going to take a few minutes to get down, but once it gets down, this thing blows really cold. As you can hear, it's nice and quiet on low. If I'd shut up for a second or two here. Side panels are still in good shape. Just the screws. One of the screws came out. I was too lazy to put it back in. Alright, we'll take a look outside while those temps are dropping. It's only 72 here. We'll crank that all the way down just so it doesn't shut off. Generally, I keep it set at a setting that'll keep this room about 70 degrees, which is, in my opinion, a good temperature for during the day. As for sleeping, then you know, more 68 or between 65 and 68 is best. Yeah, that's definitely getting Alright, we'll be back with y'all. Alright, it's been running for not more than 5 minutes. There's our discharge temperature. That's really cold.